So we just like people who are like us. We like people with commonalities, and the more we can highlight those commonalities, the better. I think what we're doing with this specifically is we're fighting head-on ambivalence and aimlessness. Ambivalence happens when you're wondering, does this person like me? Do I have anything in common? Why am I talking to this person? And aimlessness happens when you're in a conversation and you're like, what do we talk about next? Are we gonna run out of things to say? Should I ask for their business card? That kind of aimlessness is the killer of confidence because you lack purpose. So what we're really fighting is, instead of what do I say, what should I say next, you're always looking for a commonality. And you never run out of things to say if you're like, I'm always just looking for a Me Too moment. Some way to say Me Too. Do they like me? Do I like them? Why am I talking to this person? So hunting for Me Too's always gives you something to do and to say. And hopefully the more times you say Me Too, then you're very assured, yes, they like me and I like them.